The alkali metals family, excluding hydrogen, are the most reactive family of metals. They are all silver in color. They are identified by their flame color. These are the most reactive family of elements. They react violently with water vapor, so we never find them pure in nature. Francium at the bottom left-hand corner is the most reactive alkali metal and the most reactive metal. At any one time on Earth, there's less than 1 ounce of pure francium available. The alkaline earth metals family are found in column 2A. The alkaline earth metals are the second most reactive family of metals. Most of these are silver in nature, but they have higher melting and boiling points than do the alkali metals. But they are the second most reactive, and many of these are essential to our everyday life. Calcium, magnesium are all essential metals. The middle groups of elements are the transition metals. These are the ones that most of us are more familiar with. These are also the ones that we consider, if you ask someone the characteristics of metal, they're hard. Many of them have colors. Whereas these, the alkali metals and the alkaline earth metals, are very malleable and soft. You can almost move them with your hands. The transition metals also have characteristics that some of these have more than one oxidation number. This is due to their ability to shift valence electrons in the outer energy level. These are very, very familiar to most people. They include some famous ones like iron, silver, gold, nickel, cobalt, and mercury, the only liquid metal at room temperature. All metals will have their valence electrons in the s orbitals. Our next family that we will discuss are the noble gases, which go down through column.
Hit pause.
These elements all have their outer energy level filled. They are stable. They are called noble gases because they don't react readily with the other elements. All of these have 8 valence electrons except for helium. Remember, the first energy level only needs 2 valence electrons for it to be satisfied. All of the noble gases are gases at room temperature. Radon, which is the heaviest of the noble gases, is a deadly carcinogen. The next family that we will discuss is the halogen family. They are in group 7. They have 7 valence electrons and will have a -1 oxidation. The name halogen means salt producers. When these elements combine with any of the metals, they form salts. Fluoride, which is the first element, is the most reactive of all nonmetals. The next family that we will discuss is the oxygen family. They are found in column 6. They have 6 valence electrons and will have a -2 oxidation. Oxygen is the only gas that is found in this group. Several of these, a couple of these, are metalloids within this family. They are very reactive. This is the second most reactive family of nonmetals. The next group working their way in is under column 5. This is the nitrogen family. They have 5 valence electrons. They will have a -3 oxidation. This is one of the most diverse of all the families. Nitrogen is a gas, phosphorus is a nonmetal, but we have arsenic and antimony, which are metalloids. And bismuth is one of the true metals, even though it has 5 valence electrons. This is a very, very important characteristic about the nitrogen family. Our next family is the carbon family. Carbon is also very diverse. The one thing about the carbon family as it goes down is we have several that are metalloids. We have